Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Our model problem is 7,657 times 3. I'm going to go get right into how to solve that problem. So I want you to think of this as 4 separate 1-digit multiplication problems where if our product is 10 or more, we need to regroup. So we're going to start out in the ones place. We're going to multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Since our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 1 and 21 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. So now we multiply 5 times 3, and the 2 that we carried over, we have to add that to our answer. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 2 is 17. So again, since our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 7 and 17 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 17 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 1 equals 19. So the 9 and 19 goes in the hundreds place. The 1 gets carried over to the thousands place. Every time our product is 10 or more, we need to regroup, and so far our product has been 10 or more in every single place. 7 times 3 equals 21, plus 1 equals 22. And we have our final answer. 7,657 times 3 equals 22,971. Now I am going to do one more problem. I'm going to do one more example. All right, 8,453 times 5. So again, think of this as 4 separate 1-digit, single-digit multiplication problems. But if our product is 10 or more, we need to regroup. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Our product is more than 10, so regrouping is needed. 5 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 15 gets carried over to the tens place. 5 times 5 equals 25, plus 1 is 26. Again, our product is more than 10, so we regroup. The 6 and 26 goes in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 5 equals 20. We have to add the 2 that we carried over, so 20 plus 2 equals 22. The 2 and 22 goes in the hundreds place. The other 2 and 22 gets carried over to the thousands place. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 2 equals 42. And we have our final answer. 8,453 times 5 equals 42,265. All right, I'm just going to stop here, but I think I'm going to do one more example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right, here we go. Another one. 9,773 times 4. So again, think of it as 4 separate single-digit multiplication problems where we regroup if our product is 10 or more. So 3 times 4, we always start out in the ones place. 3 times 4 equals 12. So the 2 and 12 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 12 gets carried over to the tens place. Now we multiply 7 times 4. We add the one that we carried over. 7 times 4 equals 28, plus 1 equals 29. Again, because our product's more than 10, we regroup. So the 9 and 29 gets put in the tens place. The 2 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 4 again is 28, plus 2 is 30. So the 0 and 30 goes in the hundreds place. The 3 and 30 gets carried over to the thousands place. 9 times 4 equals 36, plus 3 equals 39. And we have our final answer. 9,773 times 4 equals 39,092. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. Final problem. 7,453 times 8. This will be the last problem of the video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. So again, we start out in the ones place and we solve it the same way. Think of it as 4 single-digit multiplication problems where we regroup if our product is 10 or more. So 3 times 4 equals 24. Our product is more than 10, so 4 and 24 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. Now we multiply 5 times 8, and then we have to add 2, the 2 that we carried over, to our answer. 5 times 8 equals 40. Plus 2 equals 42. So we regroup. The 2 and 42 goes in the tens place. The 4 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Four times 8 equals 32. Plus 4 equals 36. So we have the 6 and 36 in the hundreds place. The 3 and 36 gets carried over to the thousands place. All right, 7 times 8 equals 56. Plus 3 is 59, and we have our final answer. $7,453 times 8 equals $59,624. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be updated on all my future content. So again, let me reread the answer one more time. 7,453 times 8 equals 59,624. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.